What's up, gang? SS Fredo with the flesh. You know what I'm saying? We up to something. We up to something over there. You see Pablo, see Side Chick, see Fig, Dirty Joe. We up to something. About to head down to Orlando Speed World. You know what I'm saying? With the whips. Just got done going crazy on the highway. Still about 45 miles.
Turn right, then turn right on South Williamson Boulevard.
See that thing, quick wash. This might be the last time y'all see it that color, so be on the lookout. Pablo Savage. Shot. CL1. What you gotta say to the people, man, since you're right here?
What up? Side Chick ZL1. Team Wide Open Throttle. We out here getting it.
Yes, sir.
Cruising down the interstate.
Yes, sir.
At 160 miles an hour.
Yes, sir.
Turn left, then turn right.
Allegedly 160 miles per hour.
Kilometers, sorry.
Yeah.
160 kilometers.
Allegedly.
I was trying to catch y'all earlier. I was like, God damn. We were rolling down find y'all.
And then as soon as we got off, we fucked up. As soon as we got
I
off.
was like, you better hold the fuck up.
I was like, we hitting it. I didn't catch them yet. I didn't catch him yet.
God damn, here we go. Go to sleep.
Yeah. Close your eyes. Hope for the best. Oh yeah, I know, goddammit. I thought it was you at first. I thought it was you. I know. I thought it was you at first. Look, you was right on his ass like this. I was like, shit.
Come on now.
I'm getting checked in. Show y'all the back side, not the side with my address. What? 6'2", yeah. See, you got them in the back. Well, yeah, man. Paulo, you running that thing, man? Pablo playing, man. He gonna get that content for us, though, so. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. I just put 4. You don't got to put it on there.
Make sure y'all get those numbers written on, or we won't be able to tell who's who.
15.
You're 15.
He gonna forget.
With
my 14?
markers. It's on top of your card.
Where's the marker?
It is floating around out there.
Where do you want where the road at?
On the driver's side of the vehicle, on the back glass, and if you have a quarter glass. So you'll be 22 on Prince.
All right, so we rocking number 22 today. Number 22. Fox over there. 392. Who got that marker? Where the marker at?
17. That's your favorite number?
Who got the marker?
96 got it.
Hold on to it. You might need it. Let me see that marker. I think I'm 22. Just the back. Grab a cap for you. Ah, shit. Can't see that roof? Pulled up. He done pulled up on us, told us come check him out. That thing chopping, boy. Got that Magnuson supercharger. Pro tuning. Y'all check him out. Check him out. Yeah, he hit the door on the lights change. That thing hard. Got the green guts. You gotta take a piss too. Everybody gotta take a piss. That thing hard, man. 720S.
I thought that was the light.
The green guts. Oh no! He pulled me like that too. That's why I said when the doors went up, the lights changed. That's a wrap. We out here in Orlando with it. They got the whips. Tag say Massachusetts, but
We gonna dig in y'all face.
telling you.
Hey, that thing that goes crazy.
I'm waiting till he come back. Talk about it real quick. Look for number 36 on the film, man. Look for number 36. Got them Toyos. Let's see what we got coming down the track. Mustang and Fox body. I gotta get my wheels on. It's supposed to be like a street car night, but apparently they don't give a damn because we got trailers and all types of shit. All types of shit. That scoop on top right here, that junk is functional too. So don't sleep. Come back and see what Buddy talking about. Look at that. Got that thing set up. Them stangs out here. The stangs are out here. That's our section over here. Now we're gonna talk to this guy. See what's up. Got the carbon fiber on the side. Now I thought your lights changed color. I ain't realized there was a wrap on it. Yeah, that thing clean, man. I like that wrap. The green guts. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Got the CTSV over here. Came with the GTI, so don't sleep on that.
I heard it, felt it. I mean, it wasn't not as hard as it could have been.
Dang.
first one. I got street tires.
Mustang.
So sometimes locking the brakes up is actually worse.
Yeah, they're saying he locked the brakes. I didn't see him.
It's already silent. It didn't matter what he did.
Damn. I ain't get a pass in yet, man.
Driver is out okay down there. We're going to get the tow truck out there, take the car off the track.
Driver
We'll be
good.
on hold for just a minute while we clean that up. Time to get something to eat.
So I finally made my first pass. Wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad. I'm looking for a 12-3. But they got this road race going on tonight, so about to try and get some of that action. I only did one dig so far. Might go get another one in after that, but first time was 12.49. Yeah, 12.49. I got the paper in the car. I'll get a picture of that. But yeah, man, about to get some rolls in. Look like I'm gonna be rolling against a vet. Either way, it looked like I'm gonna be rolling against a vet, actually, because it's surrounded by vets. But yeah, man, we're about to get this shit in. Yeah, man. Got the Stang sigged and fucked something up on the rear end. First pass, man. Tough day for the Mustangs, it looked like. At least he ain't wrecked, he good, so. To show y'all what we got in the lanes. Check him out, Nicky Plaid. Hey, better hope he don't hook. Better hope he don't hook up. You lighter than him. Huh? When you come out the track, it's gonna take you down the road. It's gonna be a little ass booth. They're gonna be standing outside. Just watch this one wherever you go. That's why I let what's it called go first. Yeah. I still let them go. If I'm in far lane, I just let their ass go, so they don't cross over and hit my ass. That boy over there. Nice burn out. check out my dog. Trill. He's fun.
An F-16 landing on an aircraft carrier has that little thing hanging off the back that makes it stop. Pretty cool. One of our YouTubers out there.
Last two passes, 12.6 and 12.7.